Our lesson 5 will concentrate on the usage of gender-specific pronouns. So it is all about he, she, his, her, his and hers in Balochi language. So let us begin. When it comes to gender-specific pronouns, Balochi language becomes easier. In fact, it is so simple that we only use the one letter R to describe he or she. Now, let me show you. To say he or she in Balochi language, we would say R, he or she. He is George. He is George. He is George. George ain't. George ain't. George ain't. She is Sally. She is Sally. She is Sally. Sally ain't. Sally ain't. Sally ain't. Now, let's move on to building sentences with his or her in Balochi. To say his or her in Balochi, we would say yeah, his or her, yeah, yeah. His name is George. His name is George. Yeah, nom George ain't. Yeah, nom George ain't. Her name is Sally. Her name is Sally. Yeah, nom Sally ain't. Yeah, nom Sally ain't. Now let's move on to his and hers in Balochi. To say his, we say yeg. It's the same with hers as well. His, yeg. Hers, yeg. This car is his. This car is his. یه ماشین آیگ انت. یه ماشین آیگ انت. This car is hers. This car is hers. This car is hers. یه ماشین آیگ انت. یه ماشین آیگ انت. یه ماشین آیگ انت. As you can see, it is so simple.